Federal government know every terrorist. Gumi tok say government get their names, location, but negotiation fit end violence. Some statements fit make whole country pause. And this one from Sheikh Ahmad Gumi don spark serious conversation. Because according to the Islamic cleric, the federal government already know every terrorist for Nigeria. Not only know them, he say government know their names and their exact locations. Now the big question be this: if government truly know where these people dey, why insecurity still dey continue for many parts of the country? Make we break the matter down. Sheikh Ahmad Gumi talk this thing during one interview with DRTV. And the reason why he make am talk am be because many people don accuse am for years, say e dey too close to bandits and terrorists. Some critics even say e dey defend them too much. But Gumi say the story not be like that. According to am, anytime he go meet these armed groups for forest to talk peace, he no dey go alone. He explain say security agencies always dey aware of the meetings. Sometimes police go dey involved. Sometimes military people go know. And sometimes traditional rulers like emirs go even follow the process. In fact, Gumi talk say for one of the visits to the forest, women even follow them enter the bush. But this na the statement wey really catch people attention. Gumi say government know every terrorist by name and location. That one mean say security agencies already get intelligence about these groups. And that statement don raise serious debate across the country. Because many Nigerians dey ask, if the information already dey available, why e never translate into total victory against these groups? But Gumi no stop there. He come talk another controversial thing. He say he ready to support armed groups like IPOB, Boko Haram and bandits, but only if them agree to drop their weapons. According to am, if any of these groups decide to abandon violence and come to the negotiation table, he go support the peace process. Now make we clear something. Gumi say the support wey they talk about not be support for violence. Instead, na support for dialogue. Because according to am, peace negotiation sometimes fit solve problems when bullets no fit solve. For him view, Nigerian security strategy suppose combine two things: military action and non-military solutions. The military side go handle people wey refuse to stop violence. But dialogue and engagement fit help convince some groups to surrender. This approach wey Gumi dey suggest, some countries don try am before. For example, in places where insurgency don last many years, government sometimes open negotiation channels. Some fighters surrender, some drop their weapons, some even join reintegration programs. But critics for Nigeria still dey skeptical. Many Nigerians believe say negotiation with terrorists fit send wrong signal. Some people argue say e fit encourage more violence because armed groups go think say government go eventually sit down negotiate with them. So the debate still dey hot. But Gumi also talk say insecurity not be only security problem. According to am, the deeper issue na Nigeria's socio-economic challenges. He point out at several things wey he believe dey worsen the situation: bad roads, poor electricity supply, weak healthcare system, and education problems. Gumi say when basic systems of a country no dey work well, frustration go increase. And when frustration increase, crime and violence fit grow. He even talk say Nigerian situation bad reach point where many rich people no dey trust the healthcare system. According to am, some Nigerians go travel abroad even to treat small illness. The argument be say if the country fix infrastructure, improve education, and create more opportunities, some of the root causes of insecurity fit reduce. But here come another question Nigerians dey ask. Even if economic problems dey contribute to insecurity, that one justify the violence wey many communities don suffer? Because across many states, people don lose lives, villagers don get attacked, farmers don abandon farmland, and thousands of families don become displaced. So the conversation not simple. On one side, people like Gumi believe dialogue and social reforms fit bring peace. On the other side, Many Nigerians believe strong security action na the only answer. But one thing clear, the insecurity issue for Nigeria still remain one of the biggest challenges facing the country. And statements like this one from Gumi always spark strong reactions. Because when someone talks say government know terrorists by name and location, people go naturally ask serious questions. Questions like what exactly security agencies know, how much intelligence information government really get, and which strategies government dey use behind the scenes to tackle the problem. But make we look this matter from another angle. If government truly know every terrorist by name and location like Sheikh Gumi talk, that statement itself raise one very serious security question because intelligence information normally be one of the strongest weapons any country get against armed groups. When security agencies know where criminals dey hide, the next expectation be say operations go follow. So many Nigerians now dey ask, the challenge na really lack of information or the real problem be how that information dey used? Because intelligence without action sometimes fit leave citizens confused. And that na one of the biggest debates wey this Gumi statement don open for the country. Another important part of this conversation na the issue of negotiation. Across the world, different countries don try different strategies to end insurgency. Some countries rely almost completely on military force. Others combine military action with dialogue and reintegration programs. But the truth be say for Nigeria, the word negotiation with armed groups always spark strong reactions. Some Nigerians believe say dialogue fit help convince fighters to surrender, but others dey argue say sitting down with violent groups fit make them feel powerful. So the question remains, which approach really fit bring lasting peace? But beyond politics and debate, the ordinary Nigerian get one simple expectation: safety. From farmers in the north to traders in the south to travelers on highways across the country, people just want to move freely without fear. They want to sleep at night without worrying about attacks. And they want a future where insecurity no go control everyday life. So whether the solution na military strategy, economic reforms, or dialogue, wetin Nigerians truly want be results. Because at the end of the day, peace for the country na the most important thing. For now, this question still dey open. But one thing sure be say the conversation around insecurity, negotiation, and military action no go end anytime soon. Because every Nigerian want the same thing: peace, safety, and a country where people fit live their lives without fear. So make we hear from you. You believe say negotiation with armed groups fit bring peace? Or you think say only strong military action fit solve the problem? Drop your opinion for the comment section. Make we discuss the matter. And if you never subscribe to CenokMedia, make sure you press that subscribe button. Turn on notification bell. So anytime we drop important Nigerian news breakdown like this, you go be among the first people to know. Nigeria matter plenty, but together we go continue to break them down for CenokMedia.